The company behind ChatGPT has just taken one of its biggest steps yet towards controlling its own AI infrastructure. OpenAI has unveiled its first custom AI chip. It's called Alapeno, and it could mark the beginning of a major shift in the AI hardware landscape. Now, before we take a deeper dive into the story, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. With that, let's get straight to it. Until now, OpenAI has relied heavily on NVIDIA's GPUs to train and run its models. But as AI demand continues to explode, access to computing power has become one of the industry's biggest bottlenecks. OpenAI isn't alone. Across the Silicon Valley, AI companies are practically scrambling to secure enough computing capacity. Everyone wants NVIDIA chips, and there just aren't enough of them. That has forced companies to look for alternatives. Google builds its own Tensor processing units. Amazon has developed custom AI chips. Meta has also invested heavily in in-house silicon. And now OpenAI has joined the club. The new chip was designed by OpenAI engineers in collaboration with Broadcom. Its job isn't to train massive AI models. Instead, it's designed for inference. That's the process of answering user queries after a model has already been trained. Every time somebody asks ChatGPT a question, or coding assistant generates code, or say an AI application response, inference is happening. And inference is becoming one of the most important workloads as AI adoption grows. That is exactly what Alapeno was built to do. Now, according to Broadcom CEO Hock Tan, the chip performs at a level comparable to NVIDIA's Blackwell processors and Google's Tensor processing units. Now, that's a bold claim, viewers, because Blackwell is currently one of the most advanced AI chips in the world. OpenAI's hardware chief, Richard Ho, says Alapeno was specifically designed to work efficiently with large language models. Not just today's models, but future generations as well. The company believes that the architecture will remain effective as AI systems continue to evolve. More importantly, this isn't a concept chip. It is already working. OpenAI says that it has samples running inside its laboratories today. The chips have successfully operated at target performance and power levels using the company's GPT 5.3 Codex Spark model. That is an important milestone because many chip projects never make it beyond the prototype stage, and Alapeno is already executing real AI workloads. Perhaps the most surprising detail is just how quickly it all happened. OpenAI says it took roughly 9 months to complete the chip design. Part of that speed came from a familiar source, and which is artificial intelligence itself. In other words, AI helped design hardware that will eventually help run more AI. Once the design was complete, the chip was sent to TSMC for manufacturing. And when deployment begins later this year, the servers containing Alapeno will be assembled by Celeste. The systems won't be sold commercially. They'll be used exclusively by OpenAI's own operations. This is also the first step in a much larger plan. OpenAI describes Alapeno as the beginning of a multi-generation chip roadmap. The company is building an entire hardware strategy. The last piece is particularly important because AI chips require enormous amount of high bandwidth memory, or HBM. Now, according to Broadcom CEO Hock Tan, memory demand has become so intense that it is practically affecting profit margins on custom AI chips. The key suppliers: South Korea's SK Hynix and Samsung Electronics, which means every new AI chip doesn't just benefit OpenAI. It also strengthens the company supplying the memory that makes those chips possible. This vertical integration could mean that the biggest AI companies no longer want to depend entirely on NVIDIA. They want control over their infrastructure, they want control over their costs, and ultimately control over their future. Here's a front page take on this, ladies and gentlemen. The question is, if OpenAI can successfully build its own chips, how long before every major AI company is competing not just on models but on hardware too? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.